Matt, the Mortgage Guy, Mortgage Mondays, episode 70, where I'm talking more than just a rate quote. Matt, the Mortgage Guy, Mortgage Mondays, episode 70. I'm talking about more than just a rate quote. And where I'm going with that is, as a mortgage professional, I am providing much more than just a rate quote. And although that's the case, more often than not, I'm getting people that call. They have a 2-minute conversation. They want to know, what's your rate? What are your fees? Things like that, that while important, are definitely not the most important. Let me explain. It's similar to investing and working with an investment professional. This person is putting together a personalized plan based on your needs. And the same holds true for a mortgage. It's a big transaction. It's an important part of the whole financial picture. And what I want to do as a mortgage professional is analyze your specific scenario and help advise you on what makes most sense for you long-term and short-term. So a quick example, it might be a case where you're buying a home, but you only plan to stay for 3 or 4 years. And then you're relocating, or you know you're not going to be in this mortgage for more than a few years. It makes no sense to get the best possible terms on that mortgage to save $38 a month when it's going to cost you $6,000 more at close. Those 150 months it takes to break even, when you know you're only going to be in the mortgage for 3 to 4 years, doesn't make sense. So we structure it in a way to save you the money now, because the $38 a month does not matter, since there's no chance you're going to be in this thing for 14 years or whatever it takes to break even. So little things like that, where you as a consumer, while you want to shop for best terms and things of that nature, you've also got to understand that talking to an experienced mortgage professional who can listen to your scenario and give you personalized advice is very important. You can talk to somebody at a brokerage in Southern California that's fast talking, smooth salesman, can quote you a fantastic rate. And while that 1/8 of a percentage point may sound like a great deal, there's other factors that go into it. It might take him 45 days to close. It might not close at all. It might be that he's putting you in a mortgage that benefits him commission-wise, but over the long term, you've spent $40,000 more because it wasn't the right type of mortgage for you. You had to refinance out of it, things of that nature. So the bottom line is, while it's important to go out there and shop as a consumer for the best terms, it's equally or more important to shop for the right mortgage professional who has your best interest in mind. It's always a good idea to get a feel for who can best serve you, because if it was just rate and fees and stuff like that, there would be no need for mortgage advisors. You just get online, you click a few buttons, here's what I want to go with, they're offering this, click and go. But there's mortgage professionals, there's investment professionals, there's real estate professionals, because the value they provide by being able to advise is what you're paying for. Any questions at all, please feel free to reach out. Matt, the Mortgage Guy, Mortgage Monday.
Call Matt, the Mortgage Guy. When you're ready to apply, call Matt, the Mortgage Guy, or visit mattthemortgageguy.com. Visit mattthemortgageguy.com.